Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if you're new here, and today I wanted to film a power hour clean with me. As you can see here, I'm cleaning with my daughter, and I don't really write any lists or anything. I kind of know what I want to clean ahead of time. I just kind of go room by room and clean a section at a time. I also don't use a lot of cleaning products when I do a power hour clean with me. I kind of just use Windex and disinfecting wipes. I feel like it wastes a lot of time, especially when you're trying to finish a lot of things in 1 hour. So yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna let the music roll, and thank you so much for watching.